Abo no miensa Sompa 98.9 FM so enin. Ghana de shema mu nyina ha wie. Ensamu a edi kan de tie ne aboa no besom se no miensa brem kase ye bom. Ya be fo kwan no www.sompaonline.com. Afa ye Facebook no Sompa 98.9 FM. Anase Sompa TV. Afei uko YouTube abo Sompa TV ubetumi atie no wasan so ahwen awien nsam a eba no de edi makotire bi ene sen otemuafo pani baako asusu wo my Ghana muset wona asam eba wo motrase tumi siesie abra enye court no ye frɛ won alternative dispute resolution practitioners wose de afa banefo sam ho de mo ntrase siesie wo ma court eni Doma East Mrashebedwani edi ato Ghana ban ene Ghana fo nyina ni musen. Se ye pese ye ko dwiri mudi a. Kire dwuma na wo ye, kire niema na wo ansa na wo ba befa ban edi so efe no asset declaration no. Ye manem ko abefo kwan so. NDC amanyokuo badwam kasama afuni mu baako ne de wotena asen. E wo Sompa ade a kye bia so kire se DC amanyokuo no bra na omuti adwam no wo mo ye niam bebre ena de ma emabunu na wode ato adwase ekwan foforo akuafo betumi asikua afa tomatoes eho no wade na di ya ebe hyase adi djuma ye binum kra ahyase wo brekum west mansini ni mu ensam no afoforo bi ka ho awie ene yede ma o se no miensa bremu kase bon oba ye Facebook ne so abo Sompa 98.9 FM Sompa 98.9 FM wobetumi atie na wasan so ahwem awie midin ede akua nyako abro no ma yede kase mu aseda ma 5G drink ni miso fruit drink ebia ne oba Sunyani awia ne nhada mo awie ma yekusu nti ba bia wo no aduane a wodi ya da wo so amekamfo 5G amon baby a won so wona wi na bokese pa wo ho na wode ye wadwuma amesrew jimizo fruit drink na fa bo wadwuma ne so afei kase ebono ni nkyiremu ankasa enin wodi achi ewo ye Facebook ne so abo Sompa 98.9 FM Sompa 98.9 FM na hewani so ade bi o oba Ghana mu a se manso bi mani muson entokwa bi ba asembi kokot na di emfie bebre enna bebre abosumi bebre na yentu ho anamo a yewo ekuo bi a yama won tumi wo mram won no wotena se no wadi asem no no wapa ne pomasibre na aye jojo ye fra won alternative dispute resolution practitioners na eno na high court judge baako owura ire Lydia Osaimafo wo ye high court judge ewo Accra Criminal Court Division what ya to alternative dispute resolution practitioners no any musen ane emra no ma won tumi nanso so enya asem bia na sesen wo mo je etena so esiesie wo kire se emra no tumi nyina achi no abonefo smart boni friend say criminal cases ebi atise obi akwakodi obi awu obi ene obi ahyiamu so ya abofra no wasese no obi akoto obi muna obi ne yire anasa ne ba akwakoda maame panimu ne ba ba mu aketewa bi na wode na hyeda mu na sabi wotwetwe ne dua afei wakọ akotwetuo agina kwantimfi akobokro no ewiase adi nipa awu saa banefo sam ne nyina de wo mu ni ho kwan so wotena se no wosiesie na mmom ezese no no wojai edema court na court so asem ni mu esiesie de to ba bia ezese emra ne kire se won fantom owura yiri Lydia Osaimafo kasa no na eye nefua enum dwumadi a wodi si ho kire wo mo ye alternative dispute resolution practitioners na wodi aye sa dwumadi a kire wo mo kwan a obefa so na wo mu adi dwuma no se ekoba ne se manso bi mentem ho ase bi sore ne yakasa wo mu ma ebenyina mu won pe asomdwe mfamra se de obesia ye no saadie koso ewo Sunyani wabra na Marian Conflict Resolution Center ye share Catholic University asinimu na wodi sa adwuman na enipa eba bie no eye be se aduonum ebi enyame asofo akyerɛkyerɛfo akyerade ɛwɔ suapɔn ahodoɔ no mu wɔn akyerade ɛwɔ secondary school ahodoɔ no mu ebi ɛyɛ ahemfo ɛna aban ɛne ankorankora nnwuma mu nso wɔsɛ mu ɛyi nipa no bi ɛde firi mu na ensɛm no okyerɛ mu sei
me interest am sɛ metumi aboa me ya tiesie asɛm a ɛwɔ court ɛbɛ contentem me nye hwee I'm sure sɛ yɛ de nsa mienu bɛgye wa wa watu sɛ saa na sikagye bia na sikatwe bia ne ma nipa dodo na ebe pre krase yen yasem no nko area na court connected area na enfi ho because say we regular court u be de bia distance na de ba de mfa ne say we lawyer u be de bia u be tua case ka kwa ba risk involved o lawyer so san tua lawyer ni legal fee u tua transportation for the lawyer.
Eni ayeti ye Justice Mrs. Lydia Osaimafo woye High Court Judge ewo Enkran Criminal Court Division. Na yanko yanimu ena anopai na Kwame Owusu Nkwantabisa tenasen. No o magana de hye nyina achi wo Sompa ade achi bia son. Ena ni producer Sejo Ton Sade Fred Doma East Mra Hebedwani Onmunyamfo Paul Aprekuchu Mberema sen wode no edi nkomo efriso pani no wode susuye bi abeto o my Ghana mu sen asset declaration emra no enese so obi ebefa aban adwuma no waya ewo ho kwan so odi kan kire me wo akonwa ewo medamu me wo TV me wo dressing mirror owie na wo konsoso a ede so chese be ye adwuma no mitumi tompa mitumi eto ufa edika ho sa asa declaration mra no onmanyamfo pochu mberema se ese se tumi kɔ na abefo said ye onipa kro na wo befa aban adwuma ye no wo tena ni kamu wo tena ni fie wo tena ni officer otumi kɔ abefo kwan so na wa download the forms no na wa ye ho adwuma chen sen obekɔ akɔchini asoye bia sa office yi na wo mudi sa adwuma no na afi wakɔgye krata bebre no abetena ho no afele no asa afroka no de kɔ sa akɔne abadie kura bu nipa na ban mu so obetu anamo no wasese yetumi digitalize ema ne ye abefo an ebema wo my Ghana ko aye kode ati adwiremudie proye frakadam ne kalabule no ano bebrase
so hwe ye asma eso mum declare eba be say even budget officers from district assembly eso mum declare from what and I do so na mani article 286 no no aba na matai but obetimi akire mi say we dey go in minute there even your fire bono kram bono yakobo no ebe na bono the 12 budget officers or medical matter DVLE vehicle examiner
TV.
Can we go to DVLE to tell them vehicle examiners or no medical matter? That's what I not say. Police officers at certain level, inspector level, so declare what I I will say the police officers are more interested in medical matter. Why? The problem here is simple because I should say, me could declare me. I say, when I took the document, I will open packet category. No one be brain as all training now. Now me, papa now, obey a police officer and say, I not go to, there's another 2 and 3 no. Time no one other conference had documented. And I say, yeah, I don't know when you say budget officer no, or district assembly no. Time no kokunya, no there compress our form or conference form. So our sense is that for us to be able to get good use and fulfill the law, and that is the most important thing. It is not just doing it, it is fulfilling the law. Because the assets are not just declaring an asset to you. You are fulfilling a statutory requirement. We need to make it easier for them to do that. And the best way to make it easier for them in doing that is to make sure, say, it is accessible to them. Say, the two above computer so. Same in Fediasa. Or no crime, Papa and getting that form to them, no home office will say, they didn't want to get their bill. So our form, to one man, no, I feel it. It is a feel it, no, are you okay? So why can't we do it so that we will, it's a major flat of law, and I'm not for more flashes are law, no. Major.
Eni ayeti ye eyonmunyamfo Paul Apreku Chumbereman wo yamra shebedwani ma de hye wo Doma East abato mpasua so wo ye bono mantami mu yefri Doma East na yemra yanim kakra bi wo Brekum West mansini mu bono mantam haya Council for Scientific and Industrial Research ya ehye Crops Research Institute asinimu wo mu atu anamon ama wo ba Brekum West mansini mu an wo ma be kyerɛkyerɛ akuyafo a wo mu dua tomatoes ekwan pa wo mofa so adua wo muntosu no kankan ne sen wo manya varieties foforo kra ya sa varieties wo kire se afi 2021 ena woda na dia wode nam kakra kra be makuafo hunu sede etie ene sede na djuma ebesi akon na se ebeti asem yase yenti yenkwa ahoma ne so na ya ne Dr. Michael Kwabena Osain we senior research scientist ya wasan so animude e wontosu ya ye kan dwumadie mu Mira Sompa kase eboni so awie ma ha o Mira Sompa kase eboni so awie ye giri se umpomu ye pa ye hwe se dog ahoma no atomu a dog oti ye nka Sompa kase eboni so awie ma ha o Doctor oti ye nka ye mo ha o dog ya to won kapa ye giri se umpomu ye
Hello, listen.
Doctor ya wo ahoma ne so ye ma wa ha o
Yeah.
ye giri se nyame adum umpomu ye
Nyame adom me ho ye mo so e.
Nyame adum ye nso ye ho ye pa ye da se brepa wanya ene ye ebedi nkomo Council for Scientific and Industrial Research ye wo Crop Research Institute mu de ya tie ne se mode entos varieties foforo bi aba na varieties ben sign etie ene afoforo na wodwa so no ensonso ye ben na dam
But I was say such our TFO na ampa CSR yeah friend Council for Scientific and Industrial Research Crop Research Institute yeah o kuma say e tomato varieties me no bi aba ba ko de CRI kwabna na ba ko de copia tomato na tomato yi that's when Babro Fuma, your hybrid tomato near open pollinated. Yet you open pollinated. Now the amount that's from Kone say Udia a band 55 days, that fruits not at the airba. Would you compare the Udia that I did 80 days aircraft? I say tomatoes you so your first be shelf life. So open a more color and after break here. It's mid down between 18 to 21 days. And sana I say when you compare your local now, we are the dancers and the yana and chest. I feel so your free big breast, breast nature, soluble solid. And I say so because tomato would be now processing of factory out me see. The other was so a 6.3 aircraft. Usually the other type processing a 4.8 aircraft. The amount the qualifier you beat me at the inside a processing a boy factory, you know. I say a variety so aside you look at more 20 tons per hectare. The farmers need 7.5 to 10 tons per hectare. Until my idea brought so 2 times the pharmacy ABA. Yes, every so blight, late blight, and sooner once a normal to be sport to be what will leave and also a cobasa, brofocasm and more photosynthesis and so about so yet they so a bump on it say tolerant. So despite all the senses about still it's not appreciable yet. When a more variety does sonko. Now a variety by and Ghana by beer near the core, the core forest and transitional zone, ya brekum capo. Ya and you cry about her bed down a deep air demonstration to farmers or when you add your home any shape, the size and the color and the so. And to be side by a variety, and that's a normal manner that's on Kuni, a son tem, a south super a more of the might me go for processing. After it me Jaja, I really be to me a bit of said blighty American, touch tomatoes pea, and there in suit to it. After so a double also, it may chance, and I say, and to win a my variety that's on quiet, the Abagana for free.
Obani, dear watch Adaroma. O say Ghana asase de empohwe na so no ba bia na yetumi dua ma ne ye adwuma na se wasase so no kubi asase ye dua no wo so.
Yeah, me da say in Ghana how on see atichemu agroecological zones. You share that the variety ba be a friend of forest and transitional zones. Yeah, cover Bono Heath, Ahafo, Ashanti region. By mabubo you know out media. Yeah, I said I try test there confirm and then so yanti say Mombaji sees in the Cotran or Volta region. As our Cotra or other regions, Americano, as our prosper say a year deal, which means a Ghana have a beer or try a baby. na baby ti say north na brongo afi ni brofocasa bi ni the adaptive try ahwe say esan say we are ball no and so it me do ho ana the whole baby afi ni be try ahwe adawa meka se Ghana ha baby a odua ehitime ayeye
ye wo adwenpo bi se ochina bi CRI kwabena and afa copia tomato varieties se no tumi gi ahini wo man mu baby a de wo ho dada no ye betwa to agu se ye begya enu ni dua na
baby the entire the variety by say ye hu say ya na variety tomato say free Burkina Faso no e doso then me what says Ghana tomato say consume afibia 1,048,000 metric tons. Now this 1,048,000 metric tons no the Ghana pia me dua only 500,000 metric tons, which means it's maybe half of what we can consume. The Burkina Faso for they buy 48,000 metric tons. Just so again, Ghana food we are crowd also say the Burkina for they ban. The F for beer CSR for and say better importations are a free Burkina Faso swaba. And the variety yes I say a year na yedi abafo for say farmer beer so much beer. Ika aban say ekofa tomato free Burkina Faso no kakra so better. The legal sense essence variety a bit me say process like factory a better process a year the free other country China. I remember some said the free China na omo the starch afrafra also would tomato then so start with and then they diabetes be brave aba away gas let's say Ghana the e did tomato spa. To say yeah produce near the tomato be a processed tomato 10 tomatoes catch up na the kika ho a yeah kofa be free am na to say China e me din ya rare mra or the starch afra also would tomato near the starch afra and to make can na say and the idea wo any so my the variety ba say the importations are free other country ba na mo me stop your farmers so we na ade ni koye mawa na ode ni koye obeja aba nti na ama ye ni namo kom major tomato growing area to say brekum na no ye could demonstrate here mo ni age ho nti we farmer na odua le anya wo hu de kwabena ne copy yi obi nka se nya ne mba o gane aba ho o be dua na nyina ye kwa ni tomatoes a if you am man it tomatoes a free country ye dey start after Friday ya reba that's it.
Enki eja okra mu akona ento so din kwabena de ebe ye obi na daroma edin no ye fa ne sen
Yeah, that's on say the name kwabena kete CRI kwabena that is crop research institute kwabena na me a on make say am a breeder me the kwabena ana bebi a menya abane free the me free or the kwabena ana me head more crop research which is CRI ana ye dey to ni din CRI kwabena na copy tomato ne de your mai sika de ye no Korea for ne mai sika de ye ho aduma nti ne Korea program international program agriculture copia ani ede ba akoso to mo so mo na so ya se ko variety e kan nyina betimi aye ho aduma na ba yiso bia ma osika na otimi de attract o man nyina nti wie na eja you so we first tomato ide abaga na e open pollinated ede to ye breeder ede kwabna ana do mai sky so ede no so to ni din copia nti ede no clear ba cho say na e bai
yo obani sompa kase boso ne awie ye da sipi brepa wanya ene yen atwetwe nkomo
yo mesbe da say anyway for
yo abusiafo Dr. Michael Kwabena Osei oye senior research scientist ena wosanso ye tomato breeder ewo Council for Scientific and Industrial Research and now one year Edison Comoin. No miensa bremu kasiye boy every Sompa 98.9 FM so ewo bono mantema hinkro Sunyani. Wudi echi ewo ye Facebook ne so a bo Sompa 98.9 FM na behwe ni so ade o. Sompa 98.9 FM na behwe ni so ade bi. Na ena no pa ina yeja ewo Sompa ade ache bia so nkomo ni nyina ne sen. Oma pani nana adodankwa akufuado wakasa wobadwam ena wada na dwempo adise omani suapon kase University of Ghana enke mre bi bananka ye de din to so sen JB Dankwa University of Ghana nkanya bone sedie osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah obi anim ni modemmo ya ma Ghana ye Ghana nenti wokọ asante mantama hinkro Kumasi an ye Kwame Nkrumah suapon no kemre bi beba na kenya JB Dankwa University of Ghana kenya no so nyam from so na nkrofo ahyase akeka wo de bia bibia nkoma dankwafo enti na ye adwemu na Kwame Nkwanta satena se ma sejo oto nsade frɛ benfo ewo abakwasam emu broni se historian owura apia brobe okasa no wo kyerɛ sɛ JB Dankwa so wa abakwasam ya twegu nwoma mu a ebi ede pa enti se obenfo sei nimdifo sei yede ne di at University of Ghana so a enye bone owura apia brobe ekasa sei
JB Dankwa we will be a committee no contest no a parliament but the third term or contest will see that said the modern bar no abo my na esupa edumempia 1960 year republic no and say you will be president no na opposition parties no nothing proposed party National Liberation Movement and Usem Association Party and a Tubulan Congress Party. Omi na kabomu 1958 Omi United Party. In 1960 Noa Inya Republic no say to abaninya president Republic there president Nasu Odano JB Dankwa ujina United Party nimu and Kwame Nkrumah so ujina CPP edimu ena Kwame Nkrumah udin kudim unya 92% JB Dankwa unya 8% na JB Dankwa opposition mu anu no na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah do emrebi 1958 no was a Preventive Detention Act emra o say ya wa ba yibi party na ba no o ti prison kese wo se wo near do call see JB Dankwa what no call se wo prison after presidential election on the call JB Dankwa onye obi a wo fum oye bibia na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ni ha ba ko ni se opposition for no wa ha wo pa down that is Dr. Kwame Nkrumah 1961 and was say Massey College of Technology that school no na chiri yes and edin ye Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology
enia yati yei eyowura apia brobe oyobi a woni mude ewo abakwasemu eno de sansemi tudwa wo Sompa de ache bia so no miensa kase boye de mo asida ma 5G drink any miso fruit drink wo mada Roma ne enya bia bo ahoden ya ya de som won na yenko yani mu eba Sompa ade ache bia so am efiri bese no nkru bremu de kono a amanyoku ahodo no ebetena sen ekire wo madwen de fa oman mu nsam ho ne na anopai otena se no NPP amanyoku domtani abade ekire wo Sunyani West abato mpeso ya so ayowura Isaac Ajare okasa no se na Nkwanta bisa nansen ya tibi se Ghana kuafo ni bi ewo hono mu a wo mo sen aban agya kokoo kwan a wo yi kokoo rose no na cha se ekwan a ekeka ne koba bia kokoo wo pa kokoo nkromu no ti sanka efiri ayi adabo kromu koya ometwa ana bia efiri kase ana nso akromu koya ometwa aban na jai sa kwan na gu ho a wonye na aban ne mpe akuafo asem na owura Ajare chese aban no opa akuafo asem pa na de atia ne se edru ba bia na niema bi wo ho a wo de ho kodom te sa IMF nhyehyɛ ya wo twentwen wo na ase kakra wo wana mutuo bi mu na nso se sia no aban na prapra kwan mu nyina ma kwan mu ada ho nti kokoo akwan ne nyina aban ahyase
ya cabinet ahia cabinet nsema waka ne se rose bia na yeja ato ho bia no contractors enko site ensan ko to aso enu nti no de kokoo farmers na ka no is different from what I'm also telling them. Okay. Me pa chocho what ya matter. Enu nti wo bedi ho adanse a me ne wo ka say contractor na e wo koto krum hira kwan so dendenden a na anu na obi me tekam na obi ka say na contractor ne be hwe so aye kwan no o fele flower bed no be onim ni nyina ne say ya mfele flower bed na ugu ansuo to a ebewura me be se kwan no nti edodo na hu ni say sa de na contractor ne ye no mfa so obi ani so rather no ongu kwan no so be sa ne ye kwan nti esese ye ma timamufo ni hu de ekoso de aban na namuntu a otu say obetimi asolve sa problems nkete we na eba ye ni nyina enye no nkwan ye wo projects bi wo ho so a because of sa enwoma we no ye de ato ho kakra ni nyina no aban no asan aka kire omo se omo nko site enkonye adwuma ye maame no akuafo sebi mpraduasa aban we baaye no adwen ode adwen mo ho pa ne se wa oye pension amamu no eye adwen papa munya abotre na monhwe aban no na sebi mpraduasa MPP ya tete ya pro ya amakoto ya to akone ball asokra na tese NDC
Ora Isaac Ajare eye Sunyani West mensini mu dwomtreni abedi achire ede ma wosona manyokuo NPP na ninu ya chinye manyokuo NDC anamsini Yorua Peter Gadasu AK Honorable wakasa no se ya na nkrofo ta akeka ura ma abre so wamfi mabunu no enti wasan enamobọ nto akra wakokasa woba obebie bia kwanya mabunu anyansa no nyuma bebre no sabi wobowa eye nkontompo Ora Peter Gadasu ese NDC aban wo ho no enyuma buso mabunu no
NDC government, let me put it on record. Say NDC, Abaya Kremina from His Excellency George John Rawlings in Pencil, ABC His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Pencil. Ye enjoy Mabrum, ye creating Numa Bibre, Emma Babrum ye be, Yenin, and ye aswasem in some will be any. Say schools I see, hospitals I see, na Juma, na a war system were created by the NDC. 99% were created by the NDC. So far, VRE, Sabine, electricity company of Ghana, electricity corporation, the buy ECG, it's NDC. Schools I see, any panachra de wo. Hospitals I see, any panachra de wo. Juma. Yeba agric sector, yen impact NDC de buy. Aside senior has a cocoa rose, ye bekan wasemini, ne ye fixe say a nearma in foodie film grassiano, eba crumibet miabano. Ne ma fertilizers free, ne ma cocoa bonus, nasi kind crocodile machete, na de bofu. And NDC, yeba power no, ye share all the sectors. Ebo mode say, omano, emubeko form. Ye esla, energy sector. Kwaya NDC fast work. You create jobs by adding excess capacity. Na boy ama ye security in terms of power. She nipa ye adwuma ho. Thermal plants e de buy people na ekwe adwuma ho. Which is a car power badges e de buy. Ekrofo na ekwe adwuma. Enti youth ye enjoy youth mo. Enna ye sign enya dissuade hunu say oman bia population no ene Ghana ye last population and housing census. You see the youth of this country constitute about 72%. You don't pay. And the youth, so focusing on the youth. No, what you are trying to do, they say, person what unemployment rate so, person what see abone for some so. Because I'm working my yamin kojina car kwansum for 2 koji obiade.
Eni ayati ye Ora Peter Gadasu wa yebadwom kasama afunu ba akode ma eni DC chinye amanyokuo. Yemfiri Sunyani na yenko Tano South mensini mu wa hafo mantem ni mu en. Openi ba ko a wagina ma wato ne so aba eyi no woye parliamentary candidate wo Tano South ho chinye amanyokuo NDC dimu eye Owura Charles Asiedun wode atodwa sen se wanya akwanyen ade esire ni so kase pa de se wo beso adasa nyina asire mu enti wo se wo mu wo ensado nyuma no wabobu adodro no a wo kire se won kankan ani wakra mfa ne nsa enka ne baako nipa bebro ahanum 500 ena wama wo mu nimde no waso wo masene mu
Sawosha enipa no emse omoye 71 nipa 71 no eye enema different and ye peke enti ye peke adepampo and ye peke treyefo and ye peke mumye makers and ye peke mumye pastries enti omo nyina ya ade a obia nsaso aka ne nema na kande ode beye adwuma na em se we no na se hyehyɛ mo omo ntina e ma madwen ba so a mato ami wa hai omo nyina nsa aka omo dia omo so e dia ko modwum a omo de e kwa koye omo dwuma te enkwa se afuwi e be ko na wie no na bia enipa be te se ahenum 500 e ko 1000 de na matumi agina ahoden kakra me wo so na matumi e de abom we ye omo a omo esua ensa ndwuma nko a afi school for so e ho ene scholarship schemes kakra so a ye hwe na yatimi e di egu akwan mu na e de aboa ye mansini
owie kra no ene wo se ani suade hunu kase ne se nyame ya adom na 2024 aba no pia no e ma ni koduru mra hye badwafie mu a Tano South for o say ye
Sawosha nipa no em say omoye 71 nipa 71 no eye enema different and ye peke enti ye peke adepamfo and ye peke triyefo and ye peke makers.
Ora Charles Edu Tano South Men's parliamentary candidate the ma NDC no this answer me etu dwan. Ye gyina de so na 5G drink ano de wodwa so a e ma hoden e ma aduane digest ntem why adwuma che ma osisi yade e kontem ene miso fruit drink de Ghana nuaba hodo na ewo mu a o watermelon ko ewo mu anka ko ewo mu ape ko ewo mu ayehunu kwadu eno bi ne yakeka bom enti da bia wunya bia wo de wonim se sa aduaba no ekọ ene ye de ye miso fruit drink oba Sompa FM dan mu a obanya ne dodo atun afei ba bi eton dokodoko de bia nso pe bi to ho wonton bi wa traffic mu abra na woton ne traffic mu a e chen sakawa usika afrotu eno na so ya sene mu a yede ensam no besom wawie yin owura kwadwo bepra esemu for Penny Prince ene boama ye call Facebook ne abefu social media ne so DJ Kazopi direct sound any videos no wo somfo awie yi eyeme akue nyako abro no mame sorry na ene Jordan na watchful from owura boaje boadi ya ne team no e de Sompa drive ato aso
Beg Jessica Coco, ewo Betway